In the heart of summer, the old neighborhood park buzzed with the laughter and shouts of children. Among them were Jamie and Casey, both 8 years old and filled with the kind of curiosity that often led to adventure. This afternoon was sweltering, the air vibrating with heat. Not the ideal day for outdoor play, but kids have a unique immunity to the elements when fun is at stake. Jamie had a new soccer ball, vibrant and glossy, which he kicked towards Casey with a wide grin. "Bet you can't get it past me," Casey challenged, standing between two old oak trees that served as their makeshift goalposts. Jamie charged forward, feigning left then swerving right. Casey, nimble and quick, mirrored his movements, managing to tap the ball slightly with her foot. It wasn't enough to stop it, though. The ball sailed between the trees, and Jamie erupted in cheers, performing a victory dance that looked more like a series of bizarre stretches. Flushed with defeat but beaming with excitement, Casey grabbed the ball. "My turn now to show you some moves," she declared. Their game continued, with each goal followed by exaggerated celebrations. Giggles filled the air, punctuated by the sound of the ball thumping against shoes and trees. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting long shadows over the park, their mothers called out, reminding them it was nearly dinner time. "Just 5 more minutes," Jamie and Casey pleaded in unison. Reluctantly, their mothers agreed, exchanging knowing smiles at the timeless ritual of children bargaining for just a little more playtime. Finally, as the first evening star appeared, the kids trotted back, feet dusty and faces gleaming with the satisfaction of a day well played. They were the rulers of their little world, their laughter echoing back through the fading light, a pure testament to the spirit of childhood.